Thank you. Next up is James Hoggett.
Yeah, thank you to the Chair and Committee for hearing my testimony. For the record, my name's James Hoggett. I'm an independent laptop repair technician based in the UK, and I would like to show my full support for House Bill 162. I believe that this bill is bold, and it shows Alaska is really leading the way by not trying to weaken the bill with many exemptions, such as games consoles. This bill would definitely set a precedent for other states to follow, and potentially could have global wake-up calls to manufacturers on repairability of devices. I really want to see power given to repair shops so that we can get the schematics, the board views, the replacement components, and the firmware files that we desperately need. So ultimately, we can offer customers a reasonably priced repair and a local warranty. And yeah, thank you for the time listening to my testimony.
Thank you, Mr. Hoggett. Final